the shootist. All right, with the Bearcreek 18-inch aerial lower and CMC trigger. Let's get going with the 3 62s and 4 75s. A little bit of undercharge in the 75s. I kind of messed up. I went 21 grain thinking the Magnum primers would be hotter, but they're not. So I was hitting low yesterday, and I didn't post it because I didn't even get close to it very well. So let's see if we can post this one. I do not know. High. Yeah, we're hitting high there. And to the left. All right, now, those are kind of wild. We're going to go ahead with the 75s. I'm going to aim a little high, about a headshot. I think I'm about there. I'm seeing dust either behind the target and a little bit to the right, maybe. Don't know on that one. Right there to the left. I seen that one. Bingo! I think I got a hit on my last shot. So I was aiming just a little bit to the right and about midsection. Hit somewhere. We'll see. It looked like it. The alien kind of bent and went to the side. Play it hit. Looks like right to the left.